Hi folks, it's Stephen from Timely here, going over how to install Memory for Mac. Memory is Timely's tool that automatically captures your activity throughout the day and puts it on your own private timeline. It actively records the time you spend working in different apps, programs, files, even your web browser. Getting started is super simple. It just takes a couple clicks. Let's hop in. From within Timely, there's a small icon in the bottom left-hand corner shaped like a plug. Clicking that will take us to the Settings section, and in this case, the Ecosystem tab. And along the top, there'll be the various different versions of memory available. For this video, we're doing Memory for Mac, and we'll go ahead and click the Connect button, and then the Download button to begin downloading that installer file. After just a brief moment, you should see that installer file in your Downloads folder. Go ahead and double-click the installer file, and a new window will open where you'll see the Memory app. From there, all you have to do is go ahead and click and drag the Memory app right into that Applications folder. And that's it. Memory is installed. Double-clicking it for the first time, you'll be prompted to go ahead and log into your account and connect Memory to your Timely instance. You'll also be asked to approve various privacy permissions, and it's super important that you do so just to make sure that the Memory app can function. There we go. And now we're done. You'll see the Memory app in your menu bar along the top, and you can go ahead and hop right back into the work that you were doing before. Set it and forget it. From within Timely and the Hours dashboard, you can go ahead and start creating your time entries and logging those memories that are generated throughout the day to the different projects and tasks, however you'd like. And that's it. That's Memory for Mac.